How to scan documents on iPhone and send it to email. So the very first thing you want to make sure that you download the application Cam Scanner. If you haven't installed on a device, then you simply have to move into your App Store. In the source bar, search for Cam Scanner. Head over to this app. You need to install this application on a device. Once it has been installed, tap on Open. Wait for a while for it to load. Now what you want to do is, you have to tap on Continue at the bottom of the screen. And then it will open up the camera for you. From here, you have to scan the document that you want to send by tapping on this icon at the bottom. It will start to scan your document. Once done, tap on this tick mark at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now in order to share, what you want to do is tap on Share at the bottom. Different options will be visible to you. You can either share it as PDF, JPG or even long image. Let me share it as PDF, so tap on Share PDF. Different social media platforms will be visible to you. In order to send it on email, you have to move into Gmail application and then send it to the person that you want to. After that, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can scan document on iPhone and send it to email. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.